In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the first letter large in Microsoft Word. This effect, often called a drop cap, is commonly used in books, articles, and professional documents to give a polished, visually appealing look at the beginning of a paragraph. Word makes it very easy to apply this style, and I'll walk you through the process step by step. To start, open your Word document and place your cursor at the beginning of the paragraph where you want the large first letter to appear. Then, go to the Insert tab or the Home tab at the top of your screen, depending on your Word version, and look for the Drop Cap option. Click on Drop Cap and a menu will appear with different styles you can choose from. The two main options are Dropped, which enlarges the first letter and drops it into the paragraph, and In Margin, which places the large letter in the left margin while keeping the text aligned. Once you select your preferred style, Word will automatically format the first letter of your paragraph. You can further customize the appearance by selecting Drop Cap Options. Here, you can adjust the number of lines the letter should span, change the distance from the text, and choose a different font if you want a more unique look. This allows you to match the drop cap to the overall style of your document. If you decide later that you no longer want the large first letter, you can easily remove it. Simply click on the drop cap option again and select None. The paragraph will return to its original formatting without affecting the rest of the text. Using drop caps not only adds a professional touch to your document, but it also makes the beginning of sections stand out, improving readability and visual interest. It's a subtle but effective way to enhance the presentation of your content. And that's it. You now know how to make the first letter large in Microsoft Word using the drop cap feature, and how to customize or remove it as needed. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.